Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX80 LUXE finished here in champagne quartz over graphite. Sticker price of $78,995. I am running a little bit late this morning. Obviously had to run to the bank. Alright. Biggest change for 2023, 3 years free maintenance, as well as relocation of the blind spot monitor to the mirror itself. Other than that, drivetrain, everything remains the same. A little bit of a price increase just to cover that 3 years free maintenance, but trust me, it's worth it to not have to worry about paying for an oil change or tire rotation or anything like that. Last night drove the Sensory. Now obviously, well, not last night, the night before I drove the Sensory home. Now last night I drove this home, kind of comparing the two, showing the fully loaded versus entry level. I would say the biggest difference between this and the Sensory, other than trim level differences, is the hydraulic body motion control. Sensory is definitely a bit more of a luxurious ride, and this is not luxurious. It's just a little bit more truck-like than the Sensory. So obviously if that's what you're going for, go Premium Select or Luxe. However, that's not to say it isn't comfortable, because this is absolutely comfortable. Now let's say you need to pass something real quick, you just floor it. That 5.6 liter V8, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. It's got it right there. Handling, it's a big vehicle. It's not going to be a corner carver. However, on this kind of tight, twisty back road, I'm not holding on for dear life or anything like that. Doesn't feel like it's gonna tip over. It's actually pretty composed. Steering feel for a big vehicle like this is actually a good mixture of light and easy to use, while also providing some feedback of what those front tires are doing. I will say, the jump from the QX60 to the QX80 is a much bigger jump than the QX50 to the QX60. It's a completely different driving experience. It's a completely different seating experience. My seat's all the way down and I can still see the leading edge of the hood. That is the kind of experience the QX80 has. It's that upright truck driving experience. And you know what? I'm a fan of it. I really am. A couple other people at work, they're like, oh, QX80s are so difficult to drive, and I don't know what they're talking about. This, I feel, is easier to drive than most any other car. It's definitely easier to drive than the Aventador, that's for sure. Can't see out of that thing. Seven-speed automatic. You got 4x4. This is a 4-wheel drive system, not all-wheel drive. Basically, the biggest difference between that is you can lock 4-wheel drive on instead of all-wheel drive being automatic. You also do have 4 low, And when you do engage 4 low, the camera pops up with what's in front and what's on that wheel, because they know when you engage 4 low, you're going through some pretty tough terrain. Wonder if that thing has 4 low. I think that whole thing is a 4 low. Ooh, it's getting warm. Overall, 23 QX80, still good, still good. You know, even in the base trim level, it's nice. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, you got everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.